This 5-minute solution will show you how to remove beta version from iPhone iOS 17 for devices running iOS 16.4 or iPad OS 16.4 or later. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, tap on Software Update, tap on Beta Updates and select Off. For devices running iOS 16.3.1 or iPad OS 16.3 or earlier, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on General, tap on VPN and Device Management, tap the iOS and iPad OS beta software profile that appears, tap Remove Profile. If asked, enter your device passcode, then tap Remove. Once the profile is deleted, your device will no longer receive public betas. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.